Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GHSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line annotation here is coming from. Although after today's price movement, I am going to go ahead and adjust this level down now that we have more data to right there at 31 cents. The key thing there to note there is what direction was the support level adjusted. And when support levels were being adjusted downwards, it doesn't mean that it's the end of the world, but it's definitely not a very bearish or not a very bullish sign. You would much rather see support levels being adjusted higher, which wasn't occurring here. Now, once again, does that mean that it's the end of the road and this thing's totally going to be a train wreck? I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is you do have to at least take note that, yeah, if you have to start to move and adjust support levels lower and lower, not really the greatest sign of power. But to be totally fair, the biggest sign of power right now as far as the overall chart is concerned, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, is that the price is doing a fantastic job staying up above that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see earlier on in the day, got a beautiful bounce it from it right there. And then closing out the day right there, you can see hovering right around that level. So great to see that the price continues to respect and maintain above that purple line, again, the 50-period moving average. But in the event the price falls below there, definitely the must-hold level you would want to see then hold would be at 31 cents. But again, as of right now, so far so good. The price is doing a great job of holding above the purple line 50-period moving average. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the level here that has now really made itself quite apparent is this resistance trend line right there. So if you go through the history of the chart, you can see there's been quite a few data points now where that line is essentially rejected the price right at the level whenever it's gotten up around that area. So keep a close eye on that. Sure, of course, 45 up around 50 are levels of resistance. But before you even think about talking about any of those levels, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting up above this trend line here. So we'll see if the bulls can try to manage some sort of breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.